Compute the area of a wing. What keeps a 50-ton aircraft in the sky? It's not magic. It's math. And a big part of that math is understanding wing area. Wing area is one of the core calculations behind safe aircraft operation. It affects everything from lift generation to proper weight distribution. But if that calculation is off, the results can be serious. You could misjudge lift, mismanage balance, or compromise flight performance and safety. So how do you get it right? It starts with the shape of the wing. Wings do not all follow the same shape. Some are rectangular with the same width from root to tip. Others taper outward. And some have more complex designs. The shape you are working with determines how the area is measured. For rectangular or slightly tapered wings, there's a straightforward formula. Area equals wingspan times average chord. Wingspan is the distance from wingtip to wingtip. Average chord is the wing's average width from leading to trailing edge, typically calculated by averaging the root and tip chord. Let's work through an example. Say your wingspan is 36 feet. The root chord is 8 feet and the tip chord is 3 feet. Add the values of the two chords. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Divide by 2 to get the average chord, 5.5 feet. Then multiply. 36 times 5.5 gives you 198 square feet of wing area. But here's where things often go wrong. It usually comes down to units. If one value is in feet and the other is in inches, you can't just plug them into the formula. You've got to convert everything to the same unit first. Feet with feet, inches with inches. Otherwise, the math won't hold. Now, what if the wing isn't a standard shape? In that case, break it into basic parts, such as rectangles, triangles, or trapezoids. Calculate each area and then add them together. This composite method is standard practice. It is how real-world wing designs are handled. But even with a good method, mistakes can happen, especially with units and formulas. Some common mistakes include failing to convert all measurements to the same unit, misreading mixed dimensions, such as interpreting 6 feet 8 inches as 6.8 instead of 6.67, and using only the root or the tip chord instead of averaging both. Wing area calculations may seem simple, but they support every safe takeoff. Know the formula, check your units, and always double-check your work. When the numbers are right, the aircraft is safer, more efficient, and ready to fly.